Kia ora koutou. This is the second video in half an hour on the same question. What I'm going to do now is go through Henry's way to do this question, which is really, really nice. I'm just going to do the first part. I'm not redoing the second part, so we can forget about that. Now, I looked at this when I started the question, but I decided it was easier just to get on with differentiating the log with the x and the y in there. But the other thing that's kind of screaming out at you to do when you see that log is to do e to the power of both sides, and that gives us x plus y is equal to e to the x minus 2y. Now, I haven't looked at the mark schedule, but I suspect that they gave this as a second method, and this probably is the more accessible way for students doing A-level to do it, right? So great if you understood the first video, but I think you're probably going to like this way better, especially if you're not that confident yet with implicit. So we can split that power up here as follows, and now we're going to do implicit on both sides. So on the left-hand side, we get 1 plus dy by dx, so that's good. And then here we're going to do implicit, and we're going to use the product rule. So we've got the first function, e to the x, times the derivative with respect to x of this one. So it's going to be times -2 e to the -2y dy by dx. And then we've got the other way around. So the derivative of this, so u dash, which is just e to the x, times the second function. All right, so you've got to be really good at your product rule to cope with the implicit problems in A-level. Sorry about the drums noise, guys. It will be going for a while. Okay, and so now don't stop watching because I want you to make sure you get all of the next bit as well. What we're doing now is we're going to just clean up that right-hand side. We get -2 e to the x minus 2y dy by dx plus e to the x minus 2y. But remember at the start, we had that. So we can put that back in. And we get -2 times x plus y dy by dx plus x plus y. And you can see that we are very quickly there. So let's just collect up the dy by dx stuff and then divide through. So dy by dx times 1 plus 2 times x plus y is equal to x plus y minus 1. And the result we're after follows easily from there. So we get x plus y minus 1 over 1 plus 2 times x plus y. So thanks for watching. Please keep sending these questions in. You're starting to increase what's coming through, and it's great, especially students whose revision is going really well and you're starting to pick on some quite tricky problems. So I've got heaps of time over the next 2 days before the marking hits to do videos for you. After that, there'll be a wee bit of a delay.